If you want to enable or disable Quick Ball on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit, and we need to find Additional Settings. Next, you should be able to find the Quick Ball option in here, and we need to turn it on if you want to use it. By default, the Quick Ball is located here on the right side, and we can tap on it in order to immediately reveal it. And you can also just slide it inwards like that. You can change the position of it, and then you can tap on it in order to open the Quick Ball, where we can find a bunch of different options. Now, once you go into the Quick Ball settings, then you can also choose shortcuts that you want to use. You can tap on any of these shortcuts in order to replace them with anything else. So as you can see, we can even open a specific app with the Quick Ball. And yeah, some other stuff in here as well, like for example, even on the lock screen, we can have the Quick Ball if needed. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.